Lenovo V15 GEN2 ITL. Processor: 11th Gen Intel i3-11115 G4 processor, base speed 3 GHz, max speed 4.1 GHz, 2 cores, 6 MB smart cache. Display: 15.6-inch screen with 1920 by 1080 FHD anti-glare display, TÜV Rheinland low blue light certified. Graphics: Intel UHD graphics monitor supports up to 2 independent displays. Memory: 4 GB DDR4 RAM, 3200 MHz, upgradable up to 12 GB. Storage: 256 GB SSD. Battery life: up to 5.5 hours as per Mobile Mark. Integrated Li polymer 38 Wh battery, supports rapid charge, charge up to 80% in 1 hour, with 65 WAC adapter. Energy Star 8.0 rated design. Thin and light laptop, 180-degree hinge. Reliable and durable laptop. Tests passed: shock test, vibration test, hinge life test, operating temperature test, keyboard and system test, fan reliability test, panel scuff test and pressure test to withstand extreme conditions. Ports: 1x USB 2.0, 1x USB 3.2 Gen 1, 1x USB-C 3.2 Gen 1, support data transfer only, 1x HDMI 1.4b, 1x Ethernet RJ45, LAN port, 1x headphone, microphone combo jack, 3.5 mm. Keyboard: spill-resistant keyboard, protects from accidental spills. Touchpad: buttonless Mylar Surface multi-touch touchpad, supports precision touchpad. Webcam privacy shutter. 2x 1.5W stereo speakers, Dolby Audio dual array microphones. The V15 GEN2 laptop's display has an impressive 88% screen-to-body ratio, thanks to its four-sided narrow bezels. Its 15.6 inches FHD 1920x1080 anti-glare display is available at up to 300 nits, for a bright viewing experience. The V15 GEN2 laptop is sleek and portable. Choose from 2 color options: iron gray with in-mold rolling, IMR, textured lines on 2 sides, or black with a special tactile texture on 3 sides. Make an impression.